Yung olive oil pala namin ay galing po sa puno ng in-laws ko yan. So, last time, November ba yun yung harvest tayo. So, pag kailangan na namin, humihingi ako doon. This is extra virgin olive oil po. Yan. Yung color is ganyan talaga siya pala. So, let's try this one later, Beatrice, ha? If it's fits you.
See?
Yep.
It's like hold down rodeo.
Yeah. And then, what did you bought more? Hi guys, so today is meron kaming naghanda ako ng yung pimple ko nung nahugas kami ng car. Sensitive po ako masyado sa init. So ganyan, madadagdagan pa yan kasi pantay ako for the coming week. Walang arte-arte dyan. Kailangan natin para maging comfortable yung life natin dito sa bahay. So we need to do that para walang baya, di ba? So yan, nag-defrost ako ng chicken. Buti na hindi pa masyado na-defrost. Pero mamayang gabi na siguro to. At gagawa sana ako ng sotanghon. But, bumili ako ng vermicelli. Ayan. Kasi gusto ko sanang mag-sotanghon niya. But, I remember yung namin, yung father-in-law ko pala, nagpunta sa market. So, he bought us again food. So, we have food here. Ito na naman yung mga supply namin. Pasensya na kasi ganito naman po talaga yung buhay namin. So, this vlog is about our life here in Portugal. At ito po talaga yung buhay namin. We are not faking here. Halangan naman sabihin ko kung saan-saan kami kumukuha ng pagkain. Ito yung totoong buhay talaga namin. So, I don't need to fake our life here kasi ito po talaga yung buhay namin dito. Ito yung honey. Paano nyo malalaman na it's a natural honey? Tingnan nyo ha. Yung bubble, pag ginawa nyo siya, pag you make it upside down. Yan. Ganyan yung bubble. Yung bilog siya. Yan. And then, natural honey po. This is 1 kilo of honey. And then, meron kami dito. Oh. Lolo gave me this. Hi baby to my vlog. Come on here. Hi to my vlog. Uy, go away. Ay.
Mama.
Yes, mama.
Mama.
Wait, don't get it. Yes, mama. Uy, you're sweating a lot. Naglalaro kasi doon ng bola. You're playing balls? Huh? Naglalaro yun ng bola doon sa labas. So, ayun. We have here broccoli. Binigyan tayo ng broccoli is, I told you, ito. Uy, ang dami. So, ito. Sobrang fresh ang broccoli. Madami pa tayong mga vegetable dito. We still have this asparagus. Last time, sobrang daming binili ng mother-in-law ko ng grocery. Yung gulay natin dito. And then, ito yung plano kong ilagay sa pansit. Sa sotanghon. Tapos yun, we have here broccoli. We have here cucumber. We have here zucchini. Yan. Ito yung mga last time binili ng mother-in-law ko. Kaya, kailangan nating magluto. Yung mga dito ang kagandahan guys. Kasi marami nga ibang farm, diba? Malapit. So, fresh yung pagkain natin. Last time, may binili pa pala last time yung in-laws ko. Zucchini din. At cucumber din. Uy. Tapos may carrot at may zucchini din. So, siguro ang zucchini, masarap yun i-adobo. Parang i-fry mo siya tapos gawing adobo. Masarap yun. Gawin ko nga yun. Cucumber. So, we still have here, oh. Cucumber. Zucchini also. Pero yung carrot, i-separate ko to. Yan. Yung zucchini, saan ba yung in-out? First in, first out natin to. Dami natin. So, ito yung isa. Box. Ang natin gulay. Meron tayo dito. Meron tayo dito. Tapos, ito binigay ng father-in-law ko. Masarap to i-salad. Kasi fresh nga. Yan. Tapos, ayan. Ay, ito ulit. Yung paborito ng asawa ko. Bango ng peanut. At ito yung pinaka-paborito ko. Ayan, thank you so much. Yung undried fish na hindi nilalagyan ng asin. Masarap. Thank you so much. Alam nila yung mga paborito natin, binibigyan. Yeah, sinaspoil tayo sa pagkain. Tapos ito from the market also. Dami eh. Sige na nga lang. Ito pareho to sa beans. Pero siguro ito. Ilagay ko to sa pansit. Ito yung ilalagay ko mamaya sa pansit. Tapos, yan. Tapos, meron, binigyan kami ng olive oil. Yung olive oil pala namin ay galing po sa puno ng in-laws ko yan. So, last time, November ba yun yung harvest tayo. So, pag kailangan na namin, humihingi ako doon. This is extra virgin olive oil po. Yan. Yung color is ganyan talaga siya. Parang, ano siya, dark. Natural po to. So, pag bumili kayo ng olive oil, be careful kasi hindi po lahat ay totoong olive oil. Basta. So, ayan, this is extra virgin ko olive oil. Galing po sa puno ng aking in-laws. And then, ito yung lunch natin. So, last time guys, hindi ko pinakita yung mga grocery. Sobrang daming grocery nang binili ng in-laws ko. Mother-in-law that we have is still from Germany na gamit nila. So, can you imagine, this is already how many years old na tong fridge na to, pero it's still working. At saka, parang nakakapanghinayang i-dispose. Diba? Meron po kayo dito. Yan, ito po yung lunch namin. 11 na. So, ito yung burger ng asawa ko. It's still warm. Yan, ito yung burger na sa bread. Ito yung sa asawa ko. Tsaka kami ni Beatrice ay I will reheat the rice. Buti na lang may rice pa ako. Tapos, this is the very, 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 very fresh na vegetable na ayan. Ganyan naman. Ganyan ka-fresh. Kinakain natin dito. Kasi sila dito pag nagpitas ba? Yan. Ito yung cabbage. Ito yung chicken natin. So, I will prepare this one. Kasi ito po, yan. Ayan. Diba? Ito po yung chicken. With olives. Ayan. May pickles siya. Paborito ko itong pickles. Ang sarap. Mainit pa. Nasa foil. Kakarating yung father-in-law ko galing sa market. Meron po tayong nag-harvest. Yung naka-harvest sila ng box. Mga 3 box. Yung yellow, and purple. Okay ba po yan? Yun. Binigyan tayo. So, nung asawa ko, hindi yan kumakain. So, ito po yung atin. Yung nilabhan ko, tunutunog na. So, ayan. Ito po yung supply natin. Ayan. Ganyan. Kainin na naman natin yan. Mapipilitan naman tayo kainin yan. So, yun. Ganyan yung life natin dito. At si Beatrice. Andiyan, naglalaro. As usual, Beatrice.
Mama, McLaren!
McLaren.
Show them the McLaren.
Show them the McLaren.
McLaren Senna.
Hindi na tayo magluluto ng lunch. Diba? Simpleng buhay. Basta hindi gutom, okay na yan. Wow, Ford Mustang. Okay, we have to put this na. Okay. This is our paprutas for today. Yan, guys, we're going to buy something for our construction in the house. So, muntik na naman kaming mabagda dito. Gano'n dito ito magta. Now, we already have... So, we are home. No. Si Beatrice nandun sa fridge. Kumukuha ng kanyang snacks. What do you have? You only one, Beatrice. You want to give Papa?
No.
Ah. So guys, nandito kami sa bahay. Ito yung binili namin. Ito. Ayan. Yung sand namin, ganito yung binibili namin. Kasi wala tayong storage dito sa loob ng bahay. Saka yung, ito yung bricks eh. Ito guys, yung mga bricks dito eh. Ano to? Strong. So, we don't really refill this one. when we construct the house. So, ayan, you can even divide it into half if you want, kung kailanganin. So, ganyan, yung nabili natin for today, for our, may gagawin kasi ako, gagamitin natin. As I said, gusto kong gamitin yan. Yung marble, whole marble. Ito, gagamitin ko siya. So, ito yung support na kailanganin ko. This is, what is the height of this? 19 by 30 by 15. Ito yung, yung bricks. Makapal siya. So, there's actually 7, meron ding 9. So, yun. Yung gagamitin natin para strong enough for to hold that. Ito. Kasi marble to, guys. Sobrang bigat nito. Gagamitin natin to. Sabi ko, gagamitin ko yan. Drink water, Beatrice. So, ito. Kinuha na natin to sa kanyang lolo. Because she stayed sa house ng lolo niya while we pick up some sand and bricks. It's too hot outside. No? Yeah. Say hi to my vlog. Nada, say hi.
Shaking, Papa. The engine is shaking. Look. Look, Papa, you have to look.
You.
Okay.
What you've got? This is a toy that they are looking. That's the toy.
There we
Show
go.
them, Papa, your toy.
This can only drive in.
No, it's on here.
Yeah, unboxing. Wow. Unboxing in the kitchen. It's okay.
No, that's a micro
What is it?
receiver.
Oh, wow, so stylish. Your USB. Then we have back here, Sailor for Beatrice, of course. So they bought this one. I hope Beatrice will not let this fall, or good luck again. They bought wireless kasi nga palagi siyang disconnected yung nila, yung pag sila pag naglalaro, palaging disconnected. So they need to buy this one. Okay. And this one includes wire. Why do you have wire, Papa? For what?
Charge.
To charge this one. Okay, this is rechargeable battery inside. So this is how we're going to use. And of course, there's an installer. You need an installer driver. Yeah, this is includes in the package. So this one.
Because it's pretty loose already.
Okay.
That's why sometimes I don't have contact.
Yeah, of course. Beatrice playing. Almost exactly the same.
It is the same type of cable.
Only the
I don't know what this is a bit
old style na.
This is a bit old. High quality. I think.
Okay. But the ice cream maker. How they call it? Molder. Ice pop maker. Ice pop maker, baby. You excited for that?
Mama, how to open it?
You unbox it.
Okay.
Yeah?
There's like a little straw. There is a blue one, an orange one, a pink one. Oh yeah. And the last one, the green. The
So
orange
4.
was here. The blue is here. And the pink one is here.
Okay. So you show them the the t-shirt that I bought you. It's from Bershka. Rodeo. You should put it in your hair there. Like that. No, we bought her like that clothes. Yeah. Hold down rodeo. So let's try this one later, Beatrice, huh? If it
So I
fits
can
you.
see.
Yep.
Say, hold down rodeo.
Yeah. And then, what did you bought more? Oh, what did Beatrice
I
bought?
can try it on.
Yes, of course. You're like Tita Small Laude. Sleeping. Oh.
It don't have any eyes.
Don't have any eyes. And then, show what Mama bought for herself. You show your, this one, the bottle. What are those written in the bottle?
Let's go. Keep
Let's
on going.
go.
A little more. Getting close. You did it.
You did it and refill.
Yeah.
So, binili namin yan kasi...
And also open this here. Here.
Okay. Oop.
And then
And
you can drink here.
don't, okay, because I have to clean it up first.
But
Yes.
look at here. It's like to hold.
Yeah. Okay, it's nice. This is nice because it you have to remind the kid kung anong gagawin nila. 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Dapat mainom nila to. Kasi si Beatrice, pag ganito, pag uwian, dito na. Hindi yung ganito per hour.
And this
Diretso.
and this is the toy that we have.
That's the controller now. Why did you bought a new one? Because
Because because it's a control disconnected.
the controller disconnected. So, ayan guys, medyo may konti tayong grocery. Bumili kami nito kasi this is glass. Kasi yung isa ko last time na plastic, nasunog ko. Yun. So, kailangan ko nito kasi pag gumawa ako ng mga minsan para for our pancake, dito ko na diretso, dito ko na mix at saka diretso na para mayroon nitong sarili. Tapos, ito, tinake out namin yung pagkain ni Beatrice. This is from the Japanese restaurant. Konting grocery tayo ngayon. Kasi kailangan natin to. Ayan. At saka ito. Ayan, konti lang, konti lang.